If you watched part 1, we compared AI to a personal assistant. Now let's see how the same principle works in software testing. Imagine you are testing a login page and ask AI generate test cases for the login page. You will probably get a few generic test cases because AI doesn't know your application or your requirements. Now, let's give AI better instructions as shown in the detailed prompt on screen. See the difference. Now, AI understands your application, your requirements, and the type of testing you need. Instead of a few generic test cases, you will get more comprehensive and structured test scenarios. Whether you are planning a vacation or testing an application, the principle is the same. Treat AI like your teammate. Give it clear instructions because better instructions lead to better results. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical AI tips.